Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read your assignment. Social Studies Compare and Contrast Cities. Please remember to type your name. Also, for this assignment, it is okay to use the information that we wrote down from class. The first one says, how is Detroit, Michigan the same as Innsbruck, Austria? Please make sure that you type in a complete sentence, which means using a sentence starter along with your answer. The second question is, how is Detroit, Michigan different from Innsbruck, Austria? Again, make sure you have a sentence starter or you use part of your question in your answer. And then remember to hit submit.